She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coupe size and hers the bands, girl. She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and mash up some brownies along with some cookies. And we're going to go ahead and turn those into some Brookies. So like I said, Brookies are going to be a nice combination of a chocolate chip cookie along with a brownie. So if the idea of this sounds good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the shit out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't
want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me. I do what I want when I want. They are jealous of me.
Alright, you guys, so here are the finished Brookies. Again, this is a wonderful combination of a brownie along with a chocolate chip cookie. So if you definitely love those two, you are going to love a Brookie. Put in the comments below if you ever have had a Brookie before and if that is one of your favorite cookies. So again, guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you can, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me a comment down below. If you can, share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so that you are notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
All I wanna do is just say, you don't understand how I play. I am on my way to win you over. No way.